How to fix no signal issue in Samsung F36. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option connections. Now click on it, and then here you can see the flight mode option. If you turn, now here you can turn on or off your flight mode. After turn on or off your flight mode, then reinsert your SIM card. After reinsert your SIM card, then scroll down and click on software update. And here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back and click on general management and then click on reset. Now here you can see the option reset network settings. Now click on it and then click on reset settings. After reset the network settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.